there's one of our new towers. It's coming along nicely. There was also a hotel right there, which is no more. That was the Rainbow Court Hotel. As you can see, it's just a field now. Coming up on another lot right across from 2nd Avenue Pier. Hey, it's a police station. Anyway, this was a hotel, but they tore it down mid last year. It's currently closed for the season. You can tell by the lack of the gondolas on the Ferris wheel, but there's Family Kingdom. It's currently in the 30s right now, so it's a little cold. Not freezing, but for this area, it's a little cold. Coming up here on the right was the former home of the Cabana Hotel and the Carousel Court. I'm simply pointing out all these hotels that were torn down last year just to juxtaposed to the construction that's currently going on right now. There's a crane swinging right there on a new tower. We're down here on, there you go, looks like they're dropping a bucket of cement or concrete of some sort. Here's a tower that I don't know what the branding of it is, but it looks like it's going to be substantial. Here's a common sight this time of year. Hey, that sign's lying. They're not open daily. That's a mini golf course that's closed for the season. This time of year, a lot of them close down for a few months. It's common.